Well, I finally got my rocket heater going. Finally got my rocket heater going. It's going good. Temperature of the rocket heater, 200 degrees. Going good. It's no smoke. No smoke. It's running good. I'll be installing that heater next week on the bus. Because the one we got just smokes a lot, and you know the fire won't stay lit, and it's a good heater, but it just ain't. This rocket heater so much better. Hear that sound? The sound of the rocket. Finna get ready to paint it. Temperature going up. It's a good heater, ladies and gentlemen. Real good heater. Good rocket heater. No smoke. Yeah, no smoke. But the fire's in there. Fire burning. You can hear the sound. Nice rocket heater. All right, I'll be installing it next week.